Chapter 1.4, dimensions are in inches. What I've done, I have created a L-shaped object here, which is 2.5 on the bottom, 2.5 on the top, 3/4 thick here. Then I draw one line over 2.5, and I just copy them to all of these places here. Then all you have to do is just draw a line from point to point here up to there, and you'll get this shape. Okay, so this is very simple. Then I just draw to find the center. The easiest way is just draw from corner to corner, and it locates the center. Go to isometric, axis in ellipse. Move this, make sure your isometric drafting is here. You can click that. So you would go here, axis in, click it, go to ISO circle like we've been doing in the past videos, choose the center, and then the diameter is 0.75 or the radius is 0.375. Okay, then you'll have that circle drawn. Next, what I do, I just offset this line over. For instance, you can just go to offset, click this line, offset it over to here, click this line, offset it over, and you want to go half. This is 2.5, so you would offset this 1.25, offset this 0.875, and it's going to give you those. And you can go to your center layer here, and just to show you, you can just draw any line anywhere like that. And I'm going to get out of this isometric view, and you can go to match properties, and if I wanted to, I could just click that line and I could match properties with it. See, so that's what I've done. I've just offset those two lines, got my center, and match properties, and now I have the circle. Then you're going to draw a line from that corner, from this corner here, back 3.25, but you're going to be overlapping. So actually, you really want to let me just demonstrate. If you drew a line from here back, what I would do would be come in here and erase this line here. Then come back to isometric view, down here, go to F5, change directions, go to line, and draw that over 3.25, and I'm in the wrong layer, so I'm just going to match properties. Like, try it again. So you would just draw that line in, draw this line over 2.5, 3/4 this way, and back down, and you're going to end up with this shape here. Okay. Then you want to add your dimensions, and also what you want to do is just refer back. By now you should know how to do this, but for anyone new just looking at it for the first time, just go back to one of the first videos, dimensioning, and add these in, and you will have exercise 1.4 completed.